Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn on and off mobile data on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now to do that, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. And in the control center, you will find the option of mobile data. Now to turn on mobile data, just tap on the mobile data icon and turn it on. Now if you cannot find the mobile data option in the control center, then tap on the edit button in the control center. Then tap on Edit. Under the Available button section, just look for the option of mobile data. Now just tap on it to add it to your control center. Then tap on Done to save. And once you add the mobile data option to the control center, just open the control center, then tap on the mobile data icon to turn it on. Now, if you want to turn off mobile data on your Samsung phone, just turn off the mobile data option. And once you disable this option, you will disable mobile data on your Samsung phone. And this is how you can turn on and off mobile data on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.